Hello, friends. Welcome to Do You Know English? This is our very first lesson, and I'm so happy you're here. I am Vitalina, and I am very happy to see you here today. Thank you for watching this first video. It means a lot to me.
Hi everyone, I am Jake. I am very happy to be here too. I want to improve my English, and I want to help you improve your English with us. We learn together.
Yes, Jake is one of my students. He is learning, he is practicing, and he is brave enough to speak here with me.
I am not perfect, but I try. And I want to show you that making mistakes is normal. We are all learning. We are all growing.
That is exactly the idea of this channel. I want English to be simple, clear, and friendly for everyone. Maybe you are a beginner. Maybe you learned English long ago. Maybe you understand, but you cannot speak. Maybe you are shy. It is okay. You are welcome here. We learn step by step.
Yes, and you don't need to feel alone. We are here with you, me, Vitalina, and our friends who will join us in future lessons.
Yes, on this channel, we will start with easy grammar. Very easy. I want you to feel comfortable. We will study and practice topics like present simple, past simple, future simple, the verb to be, daily routines, simple questions, everyday conversations, and many useful small things for real life. And then we will also study more complex topics.
And we will practice a lot. Not only rules, real sentences, real conversations, simple words, small steps.
Yes, some lessons will be theoretical, where I explain the rules. Some lessons will be practical, like real classroom practice with questions and answers. And some lessons will be small conversations with Jake or other students, so you can hear natural English.
I am excited about that. I want to practice speaking, and this channel helps me. And I hope it helps you too.
And we want to hear from you. In the comments, tell us, what do you want to learn? What topics are difficult? What lessons do you want to see here?
Yes, write anything. Your comments help us. They tell us what you need, and we want this channel to grow with you.
Your support really means a lot. When you like the video, when you comment, when you subscribe, it helps the channel grow and motivates us to create more lessons for you.
When you subscribe, you give us energy, and you join our English family.
I want you to enjoy learning English. I want you to feel confident. I want you to know that you can speak English step by step, little by little. And I promise to help you.
And I will learn with you. If I can learn, you can learn too.
Thank you for being here today. Thank you for joining this new channel. I am excited to start this English journey with you.
We are happy you are here. We believe in you.
Let's start simple. Jake, how are you today?
I feel good, thank you. A little nervous, but good. And you?
I'm good too. It's nice to see you in class.
It's nice for me too. I'm ready to start.
Then, introductions. What's your name?
My name is Jake. And you?
My name is Vitalina. Nice to meet you, Jake.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bristol. And you?
I'm from Dallas, but I live in San Diego now.
Nice place and nice weather.
Yes, the sun gives energy. Tell me a little about yourself.
I'm 22 years old. I'm a student. I study English every day. I like music, motorbikes, and football.
Great mix. Rhythm, speed, and sport.
That's me.
I'm 30 years old. I'm a teacher. I like books and evening walks. I love teaching and making English simple and friendly.
That sounds great.
Let's talk about daily activities. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast, usually eggs or cereal. I drink coffee.
1 cup or 3?
2, okay, sometimes 3.
Honest student. And in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I study. I read, I write, I listen to the teacher, I talk with friends.
And in the evening?
In the evening, I rest. I listen to music. Sometimes I watch a film. I eat dinner. I go to bed at 10.
That's a good routine. It helps you keep the pace.
Yes, small steps every day give results.
Now, hobbies. What do you like?
I like playing football. I like listening to music. I like motorbike rides. Sometimes I read short books in English.
I like cooking, singing songs in the kitchen, and walking near the ocean.
Ocean walks and kitchen concerts. Nice hobbies.
Yes. And you, football or video games?
Football.
Why do you learn English, Jake?
I want to travel. I want to talk with people from many countries. I want a job where English is important, maybe in technology or travel.
That's a great goal. English opens doors.
And windows.
True. I teach because I like helping students and making language simple and clear. I believe in warm, patient teaching.
Simple is strong.
Let's do a short yes or no check. Answer briefly. Ready?
Ready.
Do you study every day?
Yes.
Do you watch films every evening?
No.
Do you wake up at 7?
Yes.
Good job. Now, choose one word.
Okay.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Music or film?
Music.
Walk or bus?
Walk.
Morning or evening?
Morning.
Home study or library?
Library.
Breakfast at home or cafe?
Home.
Football match or movie night?
Football match.
Study alone or with friends?
With friends.
Great!
Friends, your turn. Coffee or tea? Say one word out loud and write it in the comments. I like this pace. It's simple and clear.
I agree. Friends, say one sentence in English about your day. I wake up at... Write it in the comments. Let's sum up our first lesson.
Today we said hello, introduced ourselves, said where we are from and where we live, how old we are, and what we like.
We described morning, afternoon, and evening activities, talked about hobbies, did a few simple exercises, and repeated key English lines.
A good start.
Friends, thank you for being with us in the first lesson. Please subscribe to Do You Know English and write a short comment about your day in English.
And tell us, coffee or tea? Football or movie? We want to know.
Yes!
See you in the next lesson.
See you next time. Bye, friends.
Bye-bye.